So I wanted to make a video here going over some cool gift ideas for Black Friday, holidays, wherever you need to get gifts for the family members that love cooking. And this booze block is my #1 suggestion. A very good cutting board is a beautiful gift. I had this on my wedding registry. These are pricey. They come in different colors, different sizes. You could find whichever fits your budget. I'll put all of these in the link. This one is absolutely perfect for a countertop, as you can see, but a good butcher block cutting board like this goes a long way as a gift. On that note, also in the pricey category, wedding registry level stuff is a Vitamix. This, if you have the money to give a beautiful gift, this thing will be a lifetime help for people in the kitchen. You can make the most beautiful purees with this, the most beautiful soups, sauces, smoothies, shakes, anything you want. These blender tops are also replaceable. This is the second one I've had because they get kind of just beat up, but this thing is so adjustable, so perfect. This is a fantastic gift. My next favorite is my newest one, a Dutch oven. This is the Maiden one. I'll also put a link here and I'll show you there's this beautiful Amazon one that's way less, but these range in prices from $50 to $250. Could go even bigger. This is a 5.5 quart, which is a beautiful size for just your home use, but this thing has changed my cooking already in the month I've had it, and I think it is a beautiful item to give as a gift, especially if you can find one on sale this holiday season. Staying on the cooking items front, a good all-use kind of pan. You could use this as a frying pan, a sauce pan, whatever you need. You could boil pasta in this too. This is, I believe they call it the Weekender from Clad. It's just a very nice, I believe it's 4 quarts. I'll show when I flip it over here, but you could use this for so many different purposes. I've had this forever. Yeah, 4 quarts. This thing is just fantastic, and it is so well used that it's a perfect gift. It can cover any cooking. Knives are also great. So many different price points here. You have your Babish knife, which I use almost daily because I absolutely love it, and it is cheap. You could also go all the way up to, a much nicer knife. This is my Meridian Elite. I believe Messermeister is the name of the brand. Huge difference in price points. They may last, significantly different times, but if the person's just getting into cooking, a cheap knife that is good and well made is a great gift, and that's the Babish knife. Or go more expensive. Totally up to you. I also have a full video on this, but a rice cooker. You will change everybody's lives by giving them a rice cooker. Boiling rice is a real pain in the butt. Check out the video if you want to see how this works even more, but a good, fairly cheap $40, $50 rice cooker will make somebody's life in the kitchen so much easier. Not really cooking related, but a fancy wine opener. This thing uses carbon dioxide or something like that, a gas. You inject it into the cork, you press the button, and it shoots the cork out. It's a fun little gift to give. Corks are replaceable. The pop at the top is replaceable. It's a fun gift. A ricer is also, it's not necessarily a great gift, but it's such a well-needed item in the kitchen to make beautiful mashed potatoes or anything else you want beautifully riced that I'm going to put it on my gift list here. I wish somebody had given me one of these a long time ago. It was hard to find a real good one like this OXO one, but a good ricer goes a very long way. Another cheap but fun thing is a creme brulee torch. I wish I had these earlier in my cooking career. It's definitely not a need, but once you have it, you find uses for it. If something's a little undercooked, you could hit it with this real quick. If you're making creme brulees, obviously you can use it. So many uses for a beautiful creme brulee torch that it's a fun gift to give. Who doesn't love fire? And finally, a good cookbook. J. Kenji Lopez Alt. This book is fantastic. It has conversions in there for you. It has recipes. It has everything you could want. This dude is a food scientist. Check out his YouTube channel also if you haven't already. But he's just such a well-rounded, fantastic educator on properly cooking things and breaking some myths in the cooking world that this is just for people that are passionate about cooking, this book is a fantastic gift. It will go such a long way on their shelves. Tells you what type of cheeses to use for what purpose. This thing has everything. This is a fantastic gift, and it is a great price point for gifts. These are all fantastic. Let me know what you guys think.